All right, everyone, welcome back to WNY Over the Air. Today I am on a boat and I wanted to showcase Bluetooth Auracast. So the boat here, it's in-house AV system, or I guess in this case an audio system, broke. This is a 10-year-old boat, 11-year-old boat, and over the years the audio system degraded to the point where now it has failed. I think a beautiful use case for Bluetooth Auracast is to replace a sound system that was once functioning, speakers that were hardwired that over time have broken, and you don't want to go in and replace them. You can literally just get little portable speakers that sound really good with premium sound and link them all together with a single broadcast signal. So that is exactly what I'm doing in this video. What I'm going to be using as the transmitter is this JBL, because the JBL is picky. It will broadcast to other speakers. Obviously, it would have to in order to conform to the Auracast standard, but it does not receive signals from other devices other than JBL. So this will be the originating broadcast transmitter, if you will. And then these other 4 speakers, we've got this new one that they just sent me, the Bugani Go 5. This one is going to be receiving the signal from this, along with the 3 Aventry speakers here that I've reviewed on the channel previously. So we're gonna hook all of this up. I'm gonna get some music going and I'll show you how this all works. All right, so I'm turning on the JBL right now. There we go. And it's now connected to my phone. That's what that little guitar riff is for. And we're gonna switch it over to Bluetooth Auracast mode. Okay, that's the sound of it now active on Auracast. I can start playing some music. All right, so this is now playing out of this speaker, but it's also in Auracast mode, so that means I can start to hook it up to some other speakers here. I'm gonna start with the Aventry's. Okay, this one is working. There we go. Aventry's got it right away. So this one is now active. Let's do this one. This one. There we go. Yep, this one's now working. You just need to work on the Bugani here for a second. So you tap the Auracast button once. There we go. So we have all 5 speakers now working with Bluetooth Auracast. This is waterproof, so I can leave this right here. I can leave this one right here. Now I can put the other ones here in the cup holders. There we go. So we just have a makeshift sound system here on the boat without having to worry about any wiring, and you can add an unlimited number of speakers. So if you think, you know what, it's not loud enough, I need some more speakers, all you got to do is just buy a few more speakers. And it's very efficient in terms of RF and radio, right? It's one signal that's being broadcast to all of these. Other than that, as you can see, it works great. Yeah, and just to round out the video here, I'm going by this apartment complex off of Canal Side here, and I'm seeing that they're using it, what looks like a Televis LR mix there with the UHF elements in the front and the VHF in the back. So this apartment complex looks to be using OTA. Nice to see. I hope everybody's enjoying the whole system OTA setup they've got. Looks nice. Good on them for doing that. But anyway, see you in the next video.